This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading towards one of the most emblematic monuments of my city, the Big Clock. This astronomical clock, which dates from the 14th century, almost disappeared. And yes, quite simply, because in the 18th century a major urban planning project was envisaged and threatened several monuments, including the Saint-Sauveur church, whose story is told in podcast number 110 and the Big Clock. At that time, from an urban planning point of view, French cities were booming. Projects for a royal place are multiplying. Reims, Nancy, Bordeaux, Lyon all want their royal place, and Rouen is no exception. The Rouennais and architect Antoine Mathieu. Le Carpentier envisioned it on the old market square with a statue of Louis XV in its center and above all a road going from the cathedral to the Hôtel Dieu, the current prefecture, thus bringing real prestige to the royal square, but forcing the city to remove the big clock, its arcade, and the belfry to obtain a straight road. However, this very expensive project will never see the light of day, allowing Rouen residents and passing tourists to still admire the big clock today.